Here's a couple little improvements I've made on my 88 recently. Putting, yes, that is a console. These lids are always broken, always. Mine works. Shifter boot looking real good. Here's a little thing I did today. Okay, check this out. Let's see here. Yes, I have windshield wipers, and they're switched right here on the stem. A multifunction switch like they should be. Okay, oh, this light just goes right up in here. Okay, let's fire it up. It's running real good. Looks like I got about half my dashboard here. Oh, wait a minute. What happened there? Something's not right there. Okay. Gotta look into that tomorrow. Okay. So, here we go. Here's my get in here. Here's my real big fan. Keeps it nice and cool. Wiper motor, brand new wiper motor pigtail here. Very few wires going through there. Nice shot of the solenoid. That's the coil. It also has a new plug on it. You notice? That's the coil. £30 of fuel pressure.